Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see a problem on development of cube. Initially, we are going to cut a cube with the help of a cutting plane. After cutting it, we are just going to develop the surface of the cube. I will be explaining the question, then I will explain how to write the given data. After that I will explain how to draw the diagram step by step. If you follow all the instruction whatever I give, you can easily complete the diagram as well as get full 20 marks. So let us go into the video. So in question what they gave is a cube of side 40 mm. So solid is a cube means we are going to draw the base diagram. There are two types of base diagram which can be drawn. Either we can draw the square like this way, or like this way we can draw. So what they gave is it's placed on the ground. So the cube is resting on HP. Since they gave the word ground with two vertical faces equally inclined. Equally inclined means, see here 45 degree and here also 45 degree. So this is only equally inclined, this is not equally inclined. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 60 degree to HP. Regarding the cutting plane, what they are saying is the cutting plane is inclined at 60 degree to HP, and one more thing is it bisects the axis of the cube. Okay, bisects means half of the axis. Okay. Develop the lateral surface of the truncated solid. So the initial diagram, that is base diagram, we are going to draw the square keeping the side as 40. So we are going to draw the square in HP. The base diagram is a square. We are going to draw the square that is faces vertically inclined on HP. So since they are asking us to incline it equally. So first step is draw a horizontal line and keeping that line as reference, draw a line for 40 mm and 40 mm. The angle between these two lines should be 45 degree. So keep your protractor for 45 degree, draw a line. The length of the line is 40. Keep your protractor upside down. For 45 degree, draw a line. The length of the line is 40. Then for 90 mm, just draw this line, and then for 90 mm, just join this line. You can get the square. So each side of the square, all the four sides will be 45. Not 4. Actually, mistakenly put it as 40. Actually, it's 45. It's not 45. Okay. So each side is 40. Each side is 40. So all the sides will be 40. So you need to dimension like this. So next thing is, since we are having cube, we will be having 8 types of naming. So top surface will be ABCD and bottom surface will be PQRS. So you should write like A, B, C, D. All are top surface. Bottom is P, Q, R, S. So 45 degree you need to dimension and 40 mm all the four sides. So you need to dimension any one side. Okay, this is extension line 2H pencil, this is dimension line H pencil, 40 and arrow head should be drawn with HP pencil. So I am not drawn that much clear, but when you are drawing you should draw legibly. Okay, next step is whatever we are drawn is the top view, just extend all your top view points to get the front view of your cube. The next step is we just going to extend all the top view points for getting the front view. Keep your scale vertical at A so that you will be getting a point. Keep your scale vertical at D so that you will be getting a point here. Keep your scale vertically at C so that you will be getting a point here. This is the center, right? So from the center, for cube all the sides are equal. So height of the cube is 40. So from this point for 40 mm draw a line and try to extend all the lines for 40 mm because height of the cube is 40. So from here 40, from here 40, from here 40 and just join the box. Naming I will tell. See here, top surface is ABCD as I said and bottom is PQRS. So A you can see, so A dash. B you can see but D you can't. So B dash bracket D dash. C you can see, so C dash. P you can see, so P dash. Q you can see but S you can't see, so Q dash bracket S dash. R you can see, so R dash. So like this only you need to write the namings and all. And dimensioning you need to dimension 40. This is the extension line, draw with 2H. Dimension line H and 40 and arrow head should be written with drawn with an HP pencil. Next I will explain how to draw the cutting plane. So regarding cutting plane, what I said is the cutting plane, it is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 60 degree to HP. So we need to draw a cutting plane 60 degree with respect to HP, and it cutting plane bisect the axis of the cube. See, the total height of the cube is 40, right? Bisecting the cube means for from the base for 20 mm we keep a dot. Okay, from the base for 20 mm we just keep a dot. Just a minute, I just. Okay, no, okay. Yes. So from the base, see here, from the base for 20 mm we just keep a point. Okay, so from here you need to draw a reference line. So green color line is your reference line. Keeping this point and this line as reference, try to draw a cutting plane for 60 degree. So the reference line and cutting plane should have an angle of 60 degree, like this I dimension here. Keep your protractor at this point and reference as this line. For 60 degree draw a line and reverse it back. Leave 1 mm gap and try to extend. Here also leave 1 mm gap and try to extend. So the yellow color line is called your cutting plane line. So how I am dimensioning it, see just here. So 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, reverse 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash. So 1 dash is lying between A dash and B dash. 6 dash is lying between A dash and D dash. 2 dash is lying between B dash and Q dash. 5 dash is lying between D dash and S dash. 3 dash is lying between Q dash and R dash. 4 dash is lying between S dash and R dash. Like this only we need to name. Next thing is we going to develop the cube. After once we cut the cube, we just going to develop it. Regarding developing of surfaces, we will be having two methods, right? One is parallel line and another is radial line. So for parallel line, we will be going for prism, cylinder as well as cube. So you know the height, right? You know the height. So you know how many sides of this cube is. So totally 4 sides will be there, and you know the measurement. So using that you can use and go with parallel line method. The next step is just identify the cutting points. So I use the parallel line method. So from here, okay, from here for 40 mm. So height is 40, right? Same 40 will be having. From the, so you can leave 2 or 3 centimeter gap between front view and this diagram. So this is our front view. Between this diagram, next diagram you can leave 2 to 3 centimeter gap, and later on you just start with your point with your reference. So height will be 40, and box side how we need to determine length of the box, how we need to determine is one side is 40. So 40 into 4. So totally 160 mm. Okay, 40, 40, 40, 40. Totally 160 mm. So for 160 mm you draw a line. Okay, 160 mm you draw a line and try to close it up. And you need to divide the box into 4 equal parts. So 40. So P to Q 40, Q to R 40, R to S 40, S to P is 40. So close the box, and you need to write the naming as A, B, C, D, A, P, Q, R, S, P. Okay. The next thing is see where 1 is falling. 1 dash is between A dash and B dash, right? Between A and B you just measure. Okay. You just measure the distance. How much ever distance you are having, for the same distance you should keep a point here. So mark it as 1. Measure from B dash to 2. How much ever distance you are having, for the same distance you can mark the 2 point. Okay. Next thing is from measure 2 dash is over, right? Measure from Q dash to 3 dash. How much ever distance you are having, for the same distance you just mark a point. The next distance is 4 dash, right? How much ever distance you are having from R. Okay, R dash to S dash. Okay, how much ever distance you are having from R dash to S dash, you just measure it up, and from R you just keep your point 4. Next is 5 dash. Measure from D dash. Okay, D dash to 5 dash. How much ever distance, the same distance you should have. So mark as 5. 6 dash is here. How much distance you are having from D dash to 6 dash. So same distance you will be having D to 6. Just keep a point. Now what you will be doing is you just connecting all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that you can see the developed surface of the cube after we cut the plane. The next step is just join 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Since we develop the surface, so remaining surface we just darken it with your HB pencil 6 to A and bring it down and try to darken it. So this is our solution. And one more thing is, usually after cutting what we need to do is we need to darken it up. See here, once you cut it means, so once the cutting plane we cut it means, then we need to dark the remaining portion. Okay, remaining portion of the solid. So this portion you need to darken it. Okay, use your HB pencil and you should show some difference between this surface and this surface. Okay, this side and this side you should need to show some difference. So that's it. So 160 you need to dimension. So from P to P is 160. So 40 into 40, 40 into 4. So this is extension line 2H pencil. This is dimension line H pencil 160, and arrow head should be drawn with your HB pencil. Height of the text is development of cone. It should be written with your HB pencil. Height of the text is 10 mm, and bottom you have 2 lines. All dimensions are in mm and scale only is 1. Height of the text is 5 mm. You should write as I wrote here, and you must use a pro circle for writing the question number, and you must use your HB pencil for drawing the borders. 20 mm from left, 10 from top, 10 from right and 10 from bottom. So you need to put a border so that your diagram will be looking good. So present the similar manner whatever I tell, but you won't get the similar diagram. So just understand the concept and follow the instruction. So whatever diagram you are drawing, that is only correct with the exact dimension. So I hope so the video will be very clear. In case if you have any doubt, you just type in the comment section. So we were regularly uploading videos in engineering graphics. So it's actually a tedious process, and kindly extend your support by subscribing and sharing it with your friends, because it's not that much easy to take all the videos and upload regularly. So I hope so you guys will support me and stand with me, so that will push me to make videos for isometric and perspective. As of now I haven't made any videos on isometric and perspective, so only one unit is alone pending. So I will try my level best to compile all the problems and upload as a PDF in the YouTube channel, and also share everything with whomsoever I know. Okay, so that I will try to make it reach to all, so that no one should feel difficult, as well as difficult or everyone should feel easiness of engineering graphics. That's my only aim. I hope so you guys will stand with me. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and also kindly do check with other playlists also. We have variety of playlists and various job opportunities. I usually update regularly and daily on various departments, whichever department you belonging to. But definitely during your final year, our channel will provide you many core job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.